Oh, smoke effect. Where are you? Hi guys, my name is Michael from partsfor.ph, and behind me is the great Jimny that we did the Greddy exhaust on. The car was back here for a few days. We had some more modifications to the car, but let's go ahead and sort of refresh our minds and go over the mods again. So we've got BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on here. These are 235/70/15s, which for me make the stock car look really nice and muscular and beefy. We've got that all the way around as well. We also have the Greddy XCross exhaust system on here, and of course inside the engine bay we've done the Greddy aftermarket air filter as well. We took the stock one, threw that away, and put the Greddy air filter on here as well. But what we really did, what we worked on this time, is to really spruce up or to spice up the audio setup on this car. So we've done a growl head unit so that you can do Netflix, Google, YouTube, Waze, and it also has Spotify as its native apps. We've also done speakers, custom-made A-pillar speaker pods for the car, and also an under-seat subwoofer as well on the driver's side. The biggest thing that we've done outside of that is also the DTE Pedal Box, which made this car a lot more responsive compared to stock. Follow me, let's go ahead and talk about it and show you all of the mods that we've done inside. Come on, Paul. Paul, let's go, Paul.
A few moments later.
All right, so what we've done here are these are custom A-pillar speaker sort of pods for your A-pillar. Now, if you have a Jimny, you know that there's nothing here. It's just a plain black pillar. What we've done is did a custom mold speaker mount for it so that you can mount a speaker here. So another thing that we've done here is the DTE Pedal Box, which it kind of acts like adding a sport button to your car. Now there's three modes to that. There's City, there's Sport, and Sport Plus. If you do Sport Plus, which I absolutely love on this car, the throttle response on the Jimny makes it so immediate that it feels like a completely new car. Okay, so this is $19,000 if I'm not mistaken. For me, it's really worth it. We had another customer here the other week. We put it on there, he tried it out, and he never wanted to take it off again because it made the car feel completely different, okay? Now on the other side, Paul, if you can go to the other side, whoosh, time warp through the other side. Let me pull out the key. So I've got the key. This is the growl head unit. As soon as you turn it on, if I know, ooh. So as soon as you turn it on, you will see that the head unit is completely different. Now the stock head unit does not have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but now with the growl head unit, this has all of that. So you hit the home button here, all right? So you can see you've got nav, radio, music, Bluetooth, video, car settings, all of that. That's pretty standard. But you hit the center button and immediately you'll see Google Chrome, Netflix, you've got Google Maps, you've also got Spotify, Waze, and YouTube as well. These are your native apps. Again, it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's start it up. Paul, if you want to go in the back, listen to that Greddy exhaust. Back here, we've got the Greddy Crossplate or XCross exhaust system. It comes with this beautiful sort of bluish tip, like a titanium finish to it. Really easy to install. We did this, I believe, when the car was about a week old. But what I'm gonna do is hop in the car real quick. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of revs so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like, okay? Give me 1 second. So that Greddy exhaust really gives the car a deeper sort of tone, a lot more masculine, added a little bit bass to the car. I was only revving at about 2,500 RPMs, 25 to 3,000 RPMs on there. But this is a really nice exhaust. Again, it makes the car, give it a little bit more presence on the road because everybody can sort of hear you. It's not too quiet, but it really sort of makes it fit for the car. You've got a really nice sort of masculine car, especially with these big meaty tires. You don't want an exhaust that sort of sounds like, well, like nothing. At least you have, you know, with the Greddy exhaust, it's a little bit more masculine, a little bit deeper of a tone. We've got that in stock as well, okay? Again, my name is Michael from partsfor.ph. This is the brand new Jimny. If you're looking for any of the stuff on this setup for this Jimny, you can contact us at partsfor.ph. You can also hit us up, www.partsfor.ph. Visit us on 91 Congressional Avenue, Barangay Bahay Toro, Project 8, Quezon City. We're open Monday through Saturday, 8:30 in the morning until 6 p.m. at night. If you're watching this on YouTube, you know what to do. You gotta hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Please, please, our goal, my goal, Paul and I and the entire team, we would like about 5,000 subscribers on YouTube before the end of the year. If we do that, I'm gonna give, and I'm doing this blindly, Billy doesn't know this, we will give a nano ceramic coating for free. I don't care what anybody says. If I have to pay for it out of my pocket, I'll do it, but I'll give it away. One of our subscribers between now and December, if we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a nano ceramic coating courtesy of James Car Care, who just found out when you guys found out, which is just now. Thanks, Bill. See you guys.